Hi guys, I'm Georgia. I am here to introduce to you Lom's Radiance Antioxidant Eye Cream. I personally suffer from dark circles and puffiness, sadly. And I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and I've overall noticed a big difference with my under eyes, and even better, instantly with my under eyes, and I'll show you that a little bit later. So two key ingredients of this product, ginseng and blue plant. So they're packed with antioxidants, and it's gonna soothe and reduce any of that puffiness that we all have from time to time. So this is the product, and I'll try and show you. It's like it looks like frosting. We're not gonna eat it though. You're gonna take a tiny amount, think grain of rice size. We're gonna put it on our ring finger. There's no ring on here yet. So we're gonna start here at the temple. The reason why we put it on the ring finger is because this is the finger that applies the least amount of pressure to the eye area, which is super delicate, the most delicate area of your body. So we're gonna start at the temple, bring it all the way along that orbital bone like this, to that inner eye, and you can also add some to your brow bone like that. A big common misconception with eye cream is people take a massive amount, slather it on here. Stop doing that immediately. It's so bad for you. Why? Because your eye will end up getting overwhelmed, absorbing the product, and then you're just gonna end up with super puffy eyes back where you started, if not worse. So that's why we do it from the temple into here. So I'm gonna do the other side real quick, tiny amount again, right here, bring it all the way in. So you can see instantly I have much brighter looking eyes. It's illuminated, and it personally makes me feel really confident, ready to conquer my day. Thank you, Lom.